The bench vise is a plain vise that'll hold anything that needs sawing, filing or chiseling. The jaws are serrated to give extra grip, and they're also very hard, which means that when the vise is done up tightly, the jaws can mark whatever they're gripping. To prevent this, a pair of soft jaws can be fitted whenever the danger of damage arises. They're usually made of aluminium or some other soft metal. Some things can be awkward to grip vertically in a plain vise, so there's another style called an offset vise. These slots in the work table of this drill are designed for a drill vise. To hold something firmly and drill it accurately, it has to be secured in the jaws of the vise. Move the vise until the precise drilling point is located. Then tighten these bolts to fix the drill vise in place during drilling. A G-clamp's name comes from its shape. It can hold parts together while they're being assembled, or maybe drilled or welded. It can reach around awkwardly shaped pieces that won't fit in a vise. And it's portable, so it can be taken to the work.